What is going on, guys? It is your boy Rish. Good fucking morning. It is Saturday. If you guys can tell what those boxes are, why my trunk is open, you guys know what's about to go down. This is what we doing today, guys. A nice 3-inch. You about to see a K-tune turn down muffler right there. About to be noise. That 3-inch exhaust piping from True Benz, guys. This is how you do it, friends. Back with another update. We at the shop. It's a beautiful day, as you can tell. My boy Joven helping me out again.
Yeah.
Do you think that
I might have to remove this bar?
Here you go. So you got that out the way. Now we have the room to go and bust that out. She's just reading the book. Getting things off. The spring bolts, one's kind of just spinning there. We're trying to just break it off. Look at that, right on cue. This shit was fucked. Ah, factory pipes out. This test went long as shit.
Man, it's not playing around.
That right here, you know what I mean?
It is not playing.
Got all the official shit ready.
That shit look pretty. Way better than the PLM header, guys. Homie got the header installed, all tightened up.
Big camera man.
I need to go get some O2 sensors. Don't look. Big shout out to my boy right here for welding it up and doing all this. Wouldn't be possible because I don't know how to fucking weld, so. Put it up after it cools down. This is the final ending. You guys are gonna hear the startup. Thanks to my boy back there, Joven. Big shout out to him. He looked dead. He's ready to fucking get the fuck out of here.